Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with another haul video. So this is actually, I don't know if it's a mixed plate, but it's definitely the DIY beads. I think it's all from the same person. I think. I think it's all from Kelly. And then I also got a set of these. They're like a green, I don't know what kind of green we would call this, but they kind of remind me of, this is beadable pens. They kind of remind me of like Hawaiian kind of colors. So I wanted to get some of those so that I could make more of those pens because I don't have too much of this particular color. So I got that. That was from Amazon. And the rest of it I think is from Kelly on that DIY beads and acrylics and so forth. So I got a whole bunch of these, and the reason I did that is because I had purchased some on either AliExpress or Temu, I can't remember, and I started using a lot of them. They're really cute, and I thought these were really pretty. So these have like a AB finish on them, and they're like all light pastel clear stars. So I can definitely use that, and whatever, if I have too much, then I can always package it up and do a destash. Okay, and then I did get a set of these colored circle links or keychains, I guess. These are really good to add to the cell phone so that you can dangle it from your cell phone and make a wristlet. So I got those, and then I got a set of these. This is like spacer beads. They feel, I don't think they're metal, but they're pretty thin. So I think it'll be it'll provide like a good layer. And sometimes you don't want the real fat ones, so it's good to have the thin ones. I did get a set of these cute ghosts. I have the same ghosts, I think, in pastels, but this is really cute. So cute. I gotta start making Halloween if I'm gonna do Halloween, right? Because it's like soon. Okay, and then I did get some, this is just like, you know, a few here and a few there. And I just thought these were super cute. So I ended up buying these again. So I have another set that I got from Creations by You. But these are like silicone pachacos. And then I got a couple silicone Hello Kitties. And then I got a couple snowmen for Christmas. And then I got a couple ghost. These are like the McDonald's Happy Meals. And I got a couple of the pumpkins. And then a couple of the ghosts with the bows. So those are super cute. I got that. I think this is a free gift. Yes. So, because this is, it looks like it's a bunch of different beads. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, I think I was going to buy these. They're cute. So these are large whole flowers, and I guess this is like a jelly bead, a rhinestone bead. Oh, that was so nice of her. I like those a lot, actually. I think they're like luminous, so you can I think they'll glow in the dark. I think that's why they're like super light like that. Okay, and then I got okay, so this is actually from you know what, I'll stick it with the rest of my next order. And then these are just some, I don't know what they called it, kind of like a jelly bead, but like AB finish. But these are a little bit smaller than the bubblegum beads that I normally get. So I thought it was good to have different sizes. And this one came a little late. So these are some strawberry beads. I was going to use it on some of the strawberry swap projects, but maybe I'll just, it's too late for me to make a project, but maybe I'll add some of it into her package. And then this was a free gift. Yeah. And so they're cute cow earrings. How cute is that? Okay, so that is my haul so far. I do have probably 2 more haul videos that I need to film. Okay, I think that's it for now. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.